Why are qualified Uilleann pipes instructors so rare? Imagine hearing the haunting sound of the Uilleann pipes filling the air at a traditional Irish gathering. It's a beautiful instrument, but finding someone who can teach it well is quite a challenge. That's because the Uilleann pipes are not just any instrument. They are Ireland's national bagpipe, with a sound that's both delicate and powerful. But mastering them takes a lot of time and skill. The main reason qualified instructors are so rare is that the instrument itself is very complex. Unlike simple wind instruments, the Uilleann pipes have many parts that need to work together perfectly. You have the chanters for melody, drones for harmony, regulators for chords, and a bellows system that you control with your arm. Learning to play involves understanding how to coordinate all these pieces smoothly. It can take years of practice, often starting in childhood or early adulthood, to reach a level where you can teach others. Another factor is that there are only a few skilled makers and players left who truly understand the craft. Making Uilleann pipes is a detailed process that requires hundreds of hours of work. Each set is handmade, with precise tuning of reeds and careful construction of the wooden parts. Over the past century, fewer artisans have continued this tradition, so there are simply not enough experts to go around. This scarcity makes it harder for new students to find good teachers. The tradition of passing down Uilleann piping has also changed. In the past, learning was often done through family or small community apprenticeships. Today, most learning happens through informal lessons or online videos. But the nuanced skills, like controlling the bellows or tuning the reeds, are best learned in person. That means students need a qualified instructor nearby, which is not always easy to find outside Ireland's main piping regions. Cost and time are also big hurdles. Building a set of Uilleann pipes can cost thousands of euros, and it can take many years to develop the skills needed to teach. Many potential instructors might not have the resources or confidence to take on students. Plus, with modern musical tastes shifting toward electronic and popular music, fewer young people are interested in traditional Irish instruments. This reduces the number of students seeking lessons, which discourages some from becoming teachers. In Ireland, most qualified instructors are concentrated in places like Dublin or counties with strong piping traditions. Outside these areas, access to expert instruction is limited. While online lessons can help, they cannot fully replace hands-on guidance for such a complex instrument. Overall, the rarity of qualified Uilleann pipes instructors comes down to the instrument's complexity, the small number of master makers and players, changing cultural interests, and the traditional way of learning through close mentorship. If you're lucky enough to find a skilled teacher, it's a special chance to connect with Ireland's rich musical heritage. That's what makes learning the Uilleann pipes such a unique and rewarding experience.